Hello, my name is Vanessa and today I want to show you several projects made of wood that will delight you. These projects are from Ted's Woodworking and are available for you to learn with a super discount. But first I want you to know that I left the link to the official website of this project right below in the description of this video. Here you will find 16,000 woodworking projects. Even if you are a beginner and have no mastery with these types of projects, you will identify yourself with the techniques used. The 16,000 projects are explained in detail. It contains step-by-step instructions from beginning to end. You will learn AZ assemblies that make building projects super fast, super easy, and super fun. You will be guided through the entire project. You will have access to an exact cut list and materials for each project. So that way you will save time, reduce waste, and save money. You will complete projects in a fraction of the time it normally takes. Ted's Woodworking has intricate details of every angle, every corner, every joint. You don't need to be a master woodworker or have expensive machinery to use the plans. Even if you are a beginner, an amateur woodworker, or a seasoned professional, you will find thousands of projects suitable for your level of woodworking. Join the online woodworking course Ted's Woodworking. Regular price, $297. Beat the quarantine offer, $67. I am sure you will enjoy the projects very much. See you later.